How to restore archived photos Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Keep in mind that you need to archive some posts previously in order for you to unarchive them. With that said, let's get started. Open Instagram and log in to your account. Once you do that, click on the profile icon. Click on the three horizontal lines at the top right of the screen. From the pop-up menu list at the bottom, click on Archive. At the top left of the screen, you will see a drop-down arrow that says Stories Archive. Click on it. From the pop-up list at the bottom, click on Posts Archive. And here you will find all of your archive posts. To unarchive any one of them, just click on it. Then click on the three vertical points on the top right of it. And finally, click Show on Profile from the pop-up menu list at the bottom. And that's it. That's how to restore archived photos Instagram. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.